best thing is. Put it on your forehead.